Hey guys, Jay from Car Effects here. We had a client come in with a 2021 Ram ProMaster that was in need of a mobile office. So we took their van, and as you can see, we added a secure partition. We added cabinets up on the wall for them. We hand built a desk and seating back here for them. We added LED lighting, outlets all running off of a separate battery that does not draw any extra power off of the vehicle. We also added a rear ventilation system that's tied in with the factory system. If you're looking for a project like this, don't hesitate to reach out to us here at Car Effects, 587 Mantua Boulevard in Sewell, New Jersey.